If you want to learn the easiest way to use Jupyter Notebook, install Anaconda for Jupyter Notebook and create a virtual environment for Jupyter Notebook in 2024, this video is for you. You will learn how to turn plain text data into charts and visualization. All the command and code I use in this video are on GitHub. The link is in the description. Let's start the video and get ahead of 93% of the coder. Press Command plus space to open Spotlight search and type terminal. This is one of the easiest way to open terminal on a Mac. Now copy the command python-v and paste in terminal. We will see command not found python. Now we will try python 3 space -v. So it's written Python 3.9.6. Now we have Python, so we'll start creating virtual environment. Now we already checked we have Python, so we have the second step, create project directory. It is not compulsory, but for the best practices we are doing that. Create my project YT and you will see my project YT. Now we go inside my project YT, hit enter. Now type pwd. You will find you are under my project underscore YT. Now we have third command, which is python 3-m ev environment imran env new. It will create Python virtual environment name imran env new. If you go inside, you will see couple of files .cfg lib include. Now we additionally checking Python 3. Now you see Python 3 is there in my laptop, but if we go inside the directory after activating it, so first try to activate it, source imran bin activate. So now you will see on the left side we have imran environment new. We have activated. Now once we copy and paste this command freeze, it will not show anything because we don't have any Python package. Now with pip we are installing Jupyter Notebook. Pip install Jupyter Notebook. So it will take around 80 seconds to complete. I will speed up the process. Once it is completed, then we'll go to next command. Okay. Now we have installed that. Now open the Jupyter Notebook with the command Jupyter Notebook. Hit enter. It will automatically open the web browser where you will see imran env new, which is virtual environment, right? If you go to the command line, you will see URLs is there. You can also use these URLs to access Jupyter Notebook. Now go inside folder and click on Python I kernel, and if you want to rename it. Now we'll print simple hello world, so you have to do the same thing. You can print shift enter or just click on run. Now if you see Python inside the environment, we have now many files. If you want to shut down, we can shut down as well. Go here and shut down. Now you see shutdowning 5 extension. That means we are now, if I deactivate it, we exit from virtual environment, deactivate. Now you see the different. Earlier imran environment new, now cloud engineer. We have exit from virtual environment. Installation is Python is also very simple. If you go to this link, we have two options with macOS terminal and GUI on macOS. With brew we can install with terminal, and with Python simply we can download Python. If you go to the Python website, you will see download for Mac OS, and the version is Python 3.12.4, right? Yeah, click on that. If you want, create another folder and save your Python pkg file in it. Okay, save. Meanwhile, okay, once it's complete, we'll get back to the download page. Now we have completed. The simple step is just double click on it and just let's check. We have previous version which is 396 and now we have 3.12.4 version. Double click on it. Very simple. Continue, agree, install, type your username and password if you are using administrative. Otherwise, if you are using your own administrative account, so it will not require. Now click on install software. It will take some time, this process. Now it will open this Python 3.12. Now we will minimize it and we will go close the Python installation, allow, click on allow, move to bin. It will move that pkg file to move. Now we will open another terminal and check Python version. In white we have different, in black we have different, because we have to open another terminal. Okay, now final step is to install Anaconda. So you have the links, just click on that and click on free download. Now you will go to this page. If you want, you can provide your email address, otherwise click on skip registration. You'll see download now option is there. If you are using Mac, you have two options for Apple Silicon and Intel, and even if you go down you will see Windows, Mac and Linux. Whatever operating system you can download. Now I will click on Mac and Apple Silicon. So it will take around 800 MB of download. So I will create one project, folder, and install in it. But this step is not necessary if you want. So I have completed downloading. So 738 MB of space we require, but we can move to bin and delete once installation completed. Double click on it, and as you know, steps are very simple. Now this package will run a program to determine if the software can be installed to keep. Okay, now click continue, agree, install, continue, type username and password. Nothing complicated. Now it's completed. Click continue and close and click on allow. So simply I will show you what happened once we allow it and move to bin. So I will allow and it will ask move to bin. Okay, this package is moved to bin. Now even I can click on empty, so we have some space left in our laptop, empty bin. So we have that. Now go to your launch box and check Anaconda. Okay, Anaconda navigator is there. Click on it. It will take some time. I'm speeding up the process. Now if you want to create account, otherwise let it as it is. Now our main goal is notebook. So notebook 7.0.8 is there. Click on launch. It will also take couple of seconds, but it will open in the browser as expected. So you will see, but you see directory structure is different. Now we will run pip install matplotlib. It will take some time, and this all the program you will find in the video description in the GitHub. Right now click on that. What it's saying may take a moment. Okay, here is world population over 10 year we have. Okay, so world population over 10 year, you can see this. And even if you want to more like this one, yeah, this is the popular programming language over the year. So run that, and we already have that packages. Now copy and paste and shift enter, so it will show all the popular programming language over 10 year, Python, JavaScript, Java, whatever. You can also do that. Make sure to, if you like this video, make sure to subscribe the channel. I'm doing a lot of work for you. Thank you guys for watching. See you in next video.